Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a stock footage video like this into this. So I'm going to go through an example for your pro version and your free version for the people of you who do not have that subscription. So the first method is you click the footage, where you click your video, then you go into video here, right? And you should have your remove BG just on your right hand side. Then what you want to go for is auto removal, right? And that's going to remove it automatically. But as I said, this is going to be your pro version, and you can also do different types of essentially edges to your videos. Then all you have to do is add in your background below. I've added in this sort of comic type footage, and you can see just like that, they're going to get your background removed. Okay, and now for the free version, all you need to do is go on to custom removal, click the brush, and then only color under the brush essentially the subject of your video, right? Obviously I'm just going really fast here just for the video is not going to be as good and careful, but then you can click the eraser button here just to make sure everything is a lot more better. Right, and then you click apply. Now, as you can see, the background has been removed. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next. Bye.